Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri again from Karma Healing, bringing you the reading for the week starting from the 16th of August till the 22nd of August. Today is Parsi New Year. I wish all my Parsi friends, subscribers a very happy New Year to them. And also, as always, we'll tell you to please go ahead and like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. And do go and like my page on Facebook and Instagram. Let's not waste the time and start our reading today. Also, it was Independence Day yesterday. Wishing all of you a very happy Independence Day too. And let's start with the first sign, and that is Aries. So 3 cards I'm going to pick up for Aries, and this is for the week of 16th August, that is Monday, till the 22nd August, that is Sunday. So 3 cards for Aries. If I see the 3 cards for Aries, I do see a moment where your relationship is concerned. I'll go with the relationship first. Relationship, that is a head moment of relationship for you guys. You are going to see some good development in your relationship. Increase of feelings, emotions is going to come to you this week. Where your mood swings are considered, there are some mood swings that will affect you emotionally. There is some up and down that is showing this week, so be careful with your emotions. Don't go overboard it. Also, you are going to be shown the dark as well as the you can say as good as well as the bad sign in this week. So something good and something bad, so will be happening. Plus, there is a card that is also telling me to go ahead and donate something this week, maybe to the poor, give them food, feed them, or donate some useful things to them. Where your work career is concerned, I don't see that much of improvement. It is going to be the way it is going on right now. Financially, yes, financially you will see an improvement once you start donating or doing some good cause for the needy people. So that's for Aries. I'm going to go ahead and do Taurus now. 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. So let's go ahead and do 3 cards for them. Quick 3 cards for Taurus. If I see Taurus, this week is little bit going to be a stressful week for you. You are going to take a lot of burden. Calm down your emotions. Nothing too much is good for you. So just don't take any kind of a burden. Be a little bit at ease and peace. Yes, where your women are concerned, or where the family is concerned, I do see there is a new coming in the family. There might be a good news for you guys. Maybe pregnancy news or something about having a baby or something. So that kind of a news is going to come this week to the people born under the sign of Taurus. Where your financial condition, I see financial condition needs a balancing this week. You need to balance the financial condition. Don't overspend it, otherwise by end of this week or month, there are chances that you will be low on the money aspect of it. Relationship is as usual, but yes, like I told you, this week do not take more tension, do not take more burden, that your relationship might suffer. So where career is concerned, career is normal. No ups and downs in the career. Relationship, yes, there is an improvement in the relationship. There is some good news coming your way where the baby is concerned, especially fertility, pregnancy, those kind of news. And financially, yes, you need to balance your financial aspects in this week, and try to be at ease emotionally. You are taking a lot of burden, so calm down a little, take a little, you can say, a chill pill, and be happy. Gemini, people born under the sign Gemini. Quick 3 cards for people born under the sign Gemini. Quick 3 cards. People born under the sign of Gemini, this week is going to be good, because the world, the universe is supporting you this week. I do see a lot of emotions that will give you a confusion of like, should I do this or should I do that? but at the end, everything is going to be good for you. Where your relationship is concerned, you are blessed in this week by the universe, so you will see a progress in your relationship. A relationship will get better for the Gemini this week. Where financial condition is concerned, I see that getting better too. So some good news where your money is concerned is going to come to you this week. Yes, just your emotions, your health needs to be taken care a little bit. There are chances that you might have a migraine or sinus or something related, because you are thinking too much. Also be very, very careful with your legs. If your legs are hurting, please go and show it to the doctor, or just don't take it lightly. Also, there are chances you might hurt your leg, so just something related to leg is going to bother you this week, so just take care of it. Where the finance is concerned, it is good. Relationship looks perfectly all right. You see an improvement in your relationship. Career is also good. Just need to take care of your health. So now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. 3 cards for Cancer. Three cards for Cancerians. I like to shuffle my cards really good. So 3 cards for Cancer. If I see 3 cards for Cancer, the people born under the sign Cancer, I see improvement coming to you this week. Where your relationship are concerned, where your financial need is concerned, there is an improvement. I see a further growth, especially where your relationship are concerned. There is a growth in your relationship. There is a moment, you can say, where the relationship that you were waiting for, or you have had problems with, is going to go ahead and give you positive result. So this is the week where you will see a positive result in your relationship. Yes, there is only one thing that you have to be really, really careful, is look around, keep your eyes and ears open, and do whatever you're doing, because there are a lot of things that you don't see that needs to be seen for you to move ahead, where your financial growth is concerned, and your relationship is also affected by what you are doing by closing your ears and eyes. So just to watch around you properly, read everything that is given to you, understand it, and then move forward for whatever reason you are considering to do. Also, I can see positive, so where positive things and the universe is going to support you. You are going to do good in your career, good in your relationship, good in your finance. So I don't see any kind of problem this week for the people born under the sign Cancer. Now we'll go ahead and do Leo. 5 cards for Leo. Sorry, 3 cards for Leo, not 5. 5th is the sign Leo. So 3 cards for Leo. Okay, where people born under the sign of Leo, where your relationship are concerned, yes, there is someone new coming in your life, or whatever you are doing or whatever relationship you are in, it's going to get better. But there is also one hint given to me, one guidance the cards are giving me, is the relationship that you have. You are just satisfied with what relationship you have. It's up to you if you want to grow your relationship or no. But according to the cards, the guidance that is given to me is you need to get up, get going, and make new friends. New circle will give you good opportunities in life. So this week is something where you need to go out and build up your relationship, love relationship, any kind of relationship seems good, but it's up to you how you handle them and how you go out and make some new friends. Also, there are chances, I do see health problems related to your mom. Some lady person, especially mom, grandmother, will cause you some kind of tension this week. So just be careful about their health. If I see the finance condition is going to be same. I don't see any major growth or major fall for where the finance is concerned. Career is also looks the same. It is going on the way it is going on, and it will go on the way it is going on this week. So for Leo people, it is a normal week, yes, but I do see good cards where your relationship are. Okay, 3 cards for Virgo. People born under the sign of Virgo, definitely this week is going to be where your finance is taking a major step. If you see your financial condition is going to improve this week, you will see money coming this week. So it's a very good week where your finance is concerned. Yes, where your health is concerned, Virgo people, you have to be very careful about your health, where your legs are concerned, where maybe you falling down or hurting your leg, hurting your toes, some pain in your legs is going to give you some problems this week. So just be very careful about that. Where your relationship are concerned, it is going to be the way it is. It's not showing any bad or good thing this week. Career is also in a move because there is money coming, so there is something that is going to develop in your career thing. And definitely, yes, where your finance is concerned, I do see an increase in finance coming this week. So you will see money coming from somewhere this week, and it will improve your financial condition. Now we'll go ahead and do Libra. 3 cards for Librans. For the people born under the sign of Libra, this week is definitely a very good week for you. You are going to see good changes, good opportunities coming your way this week. But then there is also lot of negative people around you. There are a lot of people who are not your well-wisher that you will be seeing this week. So you have to be very careful about those people coming this. Yes, there are a lot of also with your progress or ahead, where your financial is concerned, or where your career is concerned, or where your relationship concerned, is going to be superb this week. Who are not your well-wishers, you will be surrounded by them, and you have to be very careful with them this week, where your financial condition, your relationship, or your career, even your health looks superb this week. Also, there are a lot of it's not a good thing, but there are a lot of confusion that is going in your mind, and there is a lot of people who will confuse you, or maybe come and argue with you for no reason. So you just have to be very careful. Of course, you are going to be very good this week where your finance, career, relationships are concerned. So there are people who are not going to like this. So definitely there is going to be some kind of argument, or some kind of people who will not want you to move ahead in life. So you just have to be very careful about those people. Okay, we have done Libra. Now we'll do 3 cards for Scorpio. Three cards for Scorpio. If I see 3 cards for Scorpio, the people born under the sign Scorpio is will be having a very good week, because I have a Magician card, and whatever they do this week is going to be superb and very lucky for them and at their advantage. But there is some emotional thing that is bothering them, and that is going to take a toll on their health in this week, in the coming week. There is a little bit of I see a depression, emotional setback that might bring some health issues to them in the week. So you have to be very careful not to overthink, not to take too much tension this week. Otherwise, if I see the relationship, it is superb this week. The financial is also looking good. You will have some good news where your money is concerned, where your career is concerned. You will see the growth in your career this week. So overall, if you see, this week is going to work like a magic for you, and you are basically going to get whatever you want this week. But you have to be really careful about your emotions, about whatever you are feeling emotions. Go out, talk to friends, enjoy yourself, and make your mood better. That way you will be very happy this week, because whatever you are going to do this week is going to bring you luck, fortune, and everything is going to work towards the betterment of you. But also there is a card that is telling me to let you know, be very careful from the people who don't like you or people who don't like your progress, because you might be surrounded by those kind of people, and they might be doing some kind of things to bother you, or some kind of things that will hinder your progress. So try to stay away from those people and try to stay safe, and emotionally try to be happy. Otherwise this week is super for Scorpions, and I see a good fortune, a good luck, and a good relationship, or the relationship getting better this week. Now we'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. People born under the sign Sagittarius. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. People born under the sign of Sagittarius, there is a normal week for you. There is a lot of weight that is coming. I mean to say, whatever you have been waiting for, the finance to improve, or maybe the opportunity coming from the career, or some improvement in the relationship, I still see that weight coming. It is going to be a very normal week for you. Nothing too exciting happening or nothing too bad happening to you. Yes, there is a card that is showing me that you need to go ahead and do some kind of donation, feed the poor or the needy, and it will help where your life is concerned, especially where your financial condition you will see improving by doing that. So if I see Sagittarius people, this week is going to be a normal week, not too good, not too bad for you guys. Just be very, very careful about the people who unnecessarily come and argue with you. So that's it for Sagittarius. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. So 3 cards for Capricorn. Three cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. People born under the sign of Capricorn, this is the week which tells you, if you work hard, how much you will work hard, you will get it back. So somewhere where your career is also concerned, where your work is concerned, you give in your best and you will get the best of it. If you become lazy and you do not work, or then you will not see the results. So it's something totally dependent on you, how hard you are working, you will get the benefit of it. Yes, like I told you before, there are a lot of signs who have got this, but there is definitely in this sign also that you have to take care of your health. You have to look after your legs, your leg pain. Your leg might get hurt, you might fall down, your toe might get hit. The card is guiding you to be very, very careful while walking, while running, or doing things very fast. Sometimes we don't realize and we slip. So just be very careful about it, Capricorn people. Also in this week, you have to be very, very careful about the people who do things behind your backs, some things that are wrong that you don't know about it, that is getting done, some kind of a robbery, some kind of things that is going out of your hand. You have to be really, really careful about it this week. Otherwise, if I see your relationship, it is normal, nothing too bad, nothing too good. But yes, the financial condition, if I say, as much as you work hard, you will get the benefit out of it. If you don't work hard, you are not going to get the benefit out of it. So everything looks okay other than that, and just be very careful about your legs with the height is concerned. Go ahead and do Aquarius. 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. For the people born under the sign of Aquarius, it is very good week for you guys. You are going to enjoy this week. You are going to be very, very carefree, so it will be a mood of a carefree person. You're going to enjoy, you're going to be happy. That kind of a week is there for you guys, but don't be totally engrossed in that happiness. See the things that are going around you. Check out the things that are going around you. Of course, this is the happiest week for you. You want to just enjoy yourself. Where financial condition, yes, there is also finance coming to you this week. I can see a growth in your financial condition. Also, this week is going to be a very, very happy for you. There will be a woman that will be supporting you, that will be helping you, that will be your strength basically and guiding you, and it will be all positive this week for you Aquarius. So where your money is concerned, definitely it's coming. Where your relationship coming, it's getting better. Of course, career is on growth, and yes, you are going to be happy and enjoying this week with no thinking or no difficulties. Now go ahead and do Pisces. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Pisces. So people born under the sign of Pisces, yes, definitely where your financial thing is, yes, I see a financial growth coming your way. There is somewhere, if I see your career is going to be normal. It is a wait that if you're waiting for a promotion or you're waiting for an improvement in your career, there is still a wait showing. So this week is not the week that you need to move that do that career move. So just stay where you are, and because it is showing a wait, so this is not a week that you should do any changes. Where your financial condition is superb, it is going to grow. You are going to see the growth coming to you this week. Whatever you have been waiting for will be showing you a good thing this week. Where your financial conditions, where your health is going to be normal. I don't see any good or bad thing coming this week. It is going to stay the way it has been. Where your health is concerned, relationship also sees no improvement. But yes, not a bad thing happening where relationship is also concerned. So there shouldn't be any problems for you Pisces people. I do see a normal week for you. Yes, definitely a financial growth coming. So that's it for now. We are done with all the signs for the week of 16th August till the 22nd August. Very happy Independence Day to you all, to all my subscribers, and a very happy Parsi New Year to all my Parsi friends and subscribers here. Thank you so very much, and please do not forget to like my YouTube channels. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and please like my page on FB as well as on Instagrams. And I'll see you again with the video for next week. Till then, take care, be blessed, and love you all.